Okay. So there's that. We'll worry about it later. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. No. Right there. Oh shit. No. This smells so good. Yes, I can send you a bottle. Hi, did you have to take some out? No, love. Everything's still in the pool. And we added all the recycle that did. Okay, so no more sending. I have 10 cans, but no more. I don't think we can fit more in here. Oh my god. I will take a bottle. Line closed. Yeah, somebody pinned Cindy. Are you going to take the sponges out? I did. I only have 3 in here. How much is for a bottle? You don't pay for the bottle. You just pay me for the shipping. I can put it in the bottle and then just pay for your shipping.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Why do you keep saying, are you ready?
Okay.
What? Oh, she's playing hide and seek. Never mind. How much is it to ship a bottle? I think it's like $6. I don't know. It depends on your state. It'll be like $5 to $6 max for one bottle. Miss Fabuloso. I love your name, by the way. Am I following you? I'll follow you back if I'm not. I tend to follow a lot of clean talkers. I try to follow them back when I get off all the time. So yes, I am following a lot of people. Thank you. You're welcome, love. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the taps. Everyone, thank you for tapping. Thank you for getting me to 17K. Thank you, thank you. Everything is appreciated. Oh. Oh my god. What if we do 17 combos posted and then a 17K overload? That would be amazing. Six, 7. Wait, do you remember my old name? Do I remember your old name? I don't.
Are you ready?
Snoopy. I used to be sleeping in your tea lives. No. What's your old name?
Ready?
Did you just say 6, 7? I'm sorry, they keep saying 6, 7 too. I blame my kids. Yes, I just said 6, 7. Not the 6, 7, please. I know, trust me, like I try not to say it, but sometimes I'm just like 6, 7 because it's just, oh my god. It's annoying, but oh my god. I'm done. Sudscity paste. No, what? You changed your name. Why? How come you changed your name? I don't like when people change their names because then I'm so used to like C Love ASMR ended up changing her name to C Lovable. So now I'm just like, I keep calling her C Love ASMR. So. You know for how long I've had my name? I've had my name, I Love ASMR, since 2000, when did I start? 2020? Or 2021? I think I started 2021. I started in Instagram. And then, so that's, dang, it's been a long time. 21, 22, so 22, 23, 24, 25, 4 years. Do you only follow Clean Talkers back? Yes, I only follow Clean Talkers back. I follow Clean Talkers, I follow my husband, I follow my sister, my mom, and that's it. Other than that, I only do follow Clean Talkers, and I follow a lot of them. And I'm still trying to catch up following people back. And it's mostly Clean Talkers. I changed my profile picture, and I feel like no one recognizes. I recognized it, girl. When you started pinning yourself, and I was gonna mention it, but then I got so busy. Trust me, I see everything. I notice everything. I was gonna be like, girl, you changed your profile picture? But I think I just got so busy. I missed it all. What's gone? And, oh, girl, everything. Did I miss the squeeze? You did. We are hand mixing right now. Sorry. Oh, look at this cylinder. This is gonna be my profile picture for a while. Oh, no. Now, my profile picture, I change that shit every day. Like, Nikki! My profile picture, I at least change it like 10 times a week. I'm always gonna have a new profile picture. I don't know why. I like changing my profile picture. I like using cats. I like using Bad Bunny. I like using sometimes myself. I like using Hello Kitty. I like using cats. It's just crazy with me. I don't got any good pictures to change mine to. Girl, I just go to Instagram and I look for pictures in there for like cats or like flower pictures. I'm always like changing my profile picture.
Mom,
Yes, mommy.
she's putting water in the Play-Doh. No, I just found it sticky. No,
I'm not buying you more Play-Doh.
no, she's putting like water.
Nikki! Take away the Play-Doh for me, mommy.
It's just one color.
It's not just one color. You're done. And when you go to the store with me again and you ask me for Play-Doh, I'm not going to buy you no more Play-Doh, mommy. She's trying to turn it back in like a slime Play-Doh. What? Poor Nikki. Nikki is a baddie. Hold on. I got, Nikki, no more.
No, Mom, it's just the one color.
No, mommy, no one color. No more.
Mom, it's just one color sticky Play-Doh.
Oh my God. One color. One color sticky Play-Doh. What?
Here you go, Mom.
Take it away from her, mommy.
Okay.
And don't let her use the water anymore. She's done. Oh my God, we actually finished the overload. You guys are fucking amazing. We finished the overload. We got to freaking 17K. I'm so grateful. We almost have 300K taps. Shocking. Thank you so much.
Oh my God. Like a whole mess over here.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Why would she add water to that?
She wants slime.
Okay, I already finished, mommy, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Go put shoes on. Shoes on so you can go with me after.
Hey, where we go? Where we go?
Okay. Oh, be careful, mommy. That's my oldest. I'm 35 weeks and my OB mentioned it. I was like, no, girl. About what? Oh, she's trying to make her own paste. Wait, you're 35 weeks? The whispers were so cute. Oh. Hi, Jessica. Oh my God, girl, I am tired now. at all this. So good thing we weren't in the sink, cause this would have never fit in the sink, ever. I do wish I had like a big sink. Hi Jessica. Jess, I hit 17K, love. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness. Girl, I'm gonna do a Mexican product overload. So a lot of the Mexican products that I have from Mexico, I'm gonna be using that for my celebration. And it's most likely gonna be a laundry overload because I'm not gonna be buying powders. The powders that we're gonna use are gonna be all laundry, and it's all Mexican laundry powder. Yes, I can't wait. Yes, I'm excited, jealous of... I'm 19 weeks. Oh, congrats. ¿Va a haber liquids, Isla? ¿Va a haber liquids? Sí, sí va a haber liquids. Y tengo un chingo. Tengo un chingo de liquids. Also, if you want to buy liquids, if anybody wants to buy liquids for themselves, you can pay for shipping and for the liquid. And yeah, I have a lot of fucking liquid. Like, I'm not even joking. And thank you so much. Yes, Boca dijo que Anya. Can we use the sponges now? We're gonna have to move to the sink, love, because this, I cannot add anything else to this pool. We are gonna use the rest of the dish soap in the sink and the liquid, okay? For that beautiful rinse. And the rinse, I'm probably gonna keep it. Okay, let's move already. We are done with the pool, guys. Who's ready for that sink? A beautiful rinse. I wasn't gonna do the sink, but I didn't finish adding everything and I feel bad, so let's just move to the sink for the rest and be finished. So if you know someone that likes suds, invite them over because we are about to get a bunch of suds. Take a break, girl. We're just gonna do a quick rinse. I don't wanna like leave and not finish adding what people paid for. But yeah, after this, I am off. Thank you guys. I know I've been going live once a week, and I'm sorry. I just get super busy now with my kids, and then I like watching people go live. I've been resting a lot, so yeah, there's that. That's it when I'm watching, like, just like, can you get the other side? What are my kids watching? Oh, it looks like this back part is softer. Ooh, it is overflowing on this side. Oh yeah, this cylinder, this one is not gonna break. This one is hard like a rock. I can't break that one. Oh my fucking god. Okay, we finished. Thank you everyone. Let's move over to the sink now. Thank you guys. If you guys enjoyed the pool, thank you guys for being here. Thank you for all the taps. To all the senders, thank you. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful overload. It was perfect.